Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Everyone recite dua for learning. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. How are you? I'm your teacher, Ma'am Homa, and I'm taking class prep English subject, and you are watching English lecture Show and Tell. Okay, children, now please open student book page number 69. Write today's date, 14th December, 140 age 14th, and then write December with capital D. December, December, comma 20, 2020. In the middle, write capital H dot capital T, and then at the end, write Monday. Monday, Monday. Monday. Objective of the lesson is to review numbers 1 till 29 and learn numbers 30 to 100. On this page, what do you see? There is a picture of Sam, May, and Anna. What Sam and May are doing? They are measuring and comparing each other's height. And what Anna is doing? Can you tell me? Yes, you are right. Anna is playing with animal toys. Can you name these animals? Look at the first one. Yes, there is a cat, an elephant, a duck, lion, and tiger. What else you see in this page? Yes, there is a chart and numbers are written on it. There is for measuring heights. On that chart, some animals' picture are given. Can you name those animals? There is a picture of zebra, lion, tiger, deer, penguin, and monkey. There is an activity given on a book. Look at each pair and decide which one is taller and which one is shorter. Look at the first pair. There is a pair of lion and tiger, and spelling of taller are written up. Taller, t-all, taller, shorter, sh-or, shorter. Now, which one is shorter and which one is taller? The tiger is shorter. You just have to write capital S in the square box. And under the line picture, you have to write T. T for taller. Now look at the next pair. Another pair is of deer and zebra. Which one is taller? Yes, you are right. Zebra is taller. Under the zebra picture, you have to write just capital T. And under the deer picture, you have to write S for shorter, because deer is shorter than the zebra. Now look at the last pair. The last pair is of giraffe and elephant. Which one is taller? Giraffe is taller. So under the giraffe picture, you have to write just capital T, and elephant is shorter than the giraffe. So you have to write capital S under the elephant picture in the box. And then what you have to do? You have to do practice of these sentences like I am taller than you, or you can say she is shorter than me, the deer is shorter, and zebra is taller. These type of sentences you have to do practice at home.
2:24. Listen and sing.
I'm taller than me. I'm growing taller, I'm growing stronger. My pants are getting shorter, or my legs are getting longer. I'm taller than the penguin. Yes, it's true. I'm taller than the deer, but I'm shorter than you. I'm growing taller, I'm growing stronger. My pants are getting shorter, or my legs are getting longer.
Okay, student, please open literacy book page number 36. On the top of the page, instructions are given. Read with me. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. And chant. Chant. Point. P-I-N-T. Point. And say. Say. Frog. 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 Point and say frog. Or. Toad. Toad. Full stop. Now we have to read the story. WHATS words. That. The at. That. What's that? ANIMAL. Animal. What's that? Animal. On. The. Road. Road. Question mark. What's that animal on the road? Is it a frog? Frog. Is it a frog? Or. Is it a toad? Toad. Question mark. Is it a frog? Or is it a toad? Frogs. Frogs are wet. Full stop. Frogs are wet. Toads. Toads are dry. Dry. Full stop. Frogs. Frogs can. Frogs can leap. Leap. Frogs can leap, but they are shy. Frogs can leap, but they are shy. Full stop. Toads. Toads can. Toads can jump. Toads can jump and they toads can jump and they can croak. Croak. But the frog. Frog. But the frog is catching. Catch. ing. Catching the cockroach. Cockroach. You have to read this story at home and you have to revise this as many times as you can.
1:30. Listen and chant.
What's that animal on the road? Is it a frog or is it a toad? Frogs are wet, toads are dry. Frogs can leap, but they are shy. Toads can jump and they can croak, but the frog is catching the cockroach.
Now, student, it's time to say goodbye. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.